Spain is applying energy-saving measures from this evening, in light of a potential gas shut-off from Russia this winter. Offices, stores, bars and restaurants will not be allowed to have air conditioning systems below 27 degrees in the summer. In winter, public premises will not be allowed to turn up the heating above 19 degrees. Despite a low Spanish dependency on Russian gas, Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez views this as a European commitment.
We have to
comply with the agreements we have reached in Brussels, because regardless of the fact that Spain is better prepared due to its geographical location compared to other countries that are much more dependent on Russian gas or Russian energy sources, such as Germany, Italy and other Central and Eastern European countries, Spain also has a commitment of solidarity with the rest of European countries.
Most vendors accept the measures, but it will differ from industry to industry.
It's going to be impossible, because now we're at 18 degrees inside the ice cream parlour. If we go up to 27 degrees, we're going to be sweating all day. The fridges give out a lot of heat.
Hospitals, health centres, schools, hairdressing salons and means of transport are exempt from the special energy-saving measures.